Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So let's continue with our Python series this time, and we'll be solving a basic question, and that has been asked multiple number of times in any of the companies that you are sitting for the position of Python developer or data analyst or business analyst. So when the recruiter is focusing on Python related questions, he or she is definitely going to ask this particular question at least once, because this is one of the questions which actually tests your skills based on the Python, and this particular skills is the conditional statement and the logical statement. All right, then, so the question basically says we need to count the occurrences of each letter in a given string. So we will be given a input string, and once we have written that input string, in that input string how many letters are there, we need to print those letters and the occurrences of those letters. All right, then let's write the code, and I think after that we can understand the logic. So we will write first the function def count underscore letter underscore occurrences. We are giving a valid name so that we can understand what we are writing, and inside this we will pass the string that will define later. Okay, so first and foremost thing, let's do, we will be first converting the string to a valuable format, that is lowercase, for case sensitivity. Okay, so the string should be equal to string dot lower function. So inside the function, whatever the string will write, it will convert all the letters into lowercase letters. Okay, so now if the string has some numeric characters, then we need to get rid of those characters. So remove non-alphabetic characters. All right, and how can we do that? String is equal to, we will be joining this dot join, and inside this will be writing a loop, that is for that character in that particular string, if char dot is alpha is the built-in function of the string in Python that will generate only the characters which are alphabetics. All right, let's put the braces, and let's first letters count. Will first define a dictionary, and inside the dictionary we will be using the key value pair to find the number of counts. Okay, so let's run the loop. For letter in string, we'll be now looping over the whole string. So for letter in string, count is equal to 0. Then for char in string, if that character is equal to the letter, that means it has already appeared, then we will just count plus is equal to 1. Then we need to return it. So pack letter count of letter is equal to count. Perfect. So now we will be returning the whole letter counts, that is this particular dictionary, we need to return it. So control C and control V, and we are solving this question using the brute force. So now let's write the driver code. Input string, we will be taking this code from the user input only. So input, enter the string. Okay, now let's call the function occurrences is equal to, I'm defining a variable called occurrences, and inside that we'll set this particular function, that is we are calling the function, and we will now print occurrences of each letter. for letter comma count in occurrences dot items. Items is basically the function in which we use the dictionary, so that's why we are using the items dot items, and inside that we will be doing, let's write in this way, letter, then colon this particular letter and the count, what is the exact count. All right, we have written this code. Now let's run it. Okay, so we are, the computer is asking us to put a string, so we'll be writing I love Python and I also love Java. Okay, okay, so it is saying string is not defined. Let's check it once again. So it is saying the string is not defined in this particular line. So string, I think we have done some mistake in the spelling. Let's say string string is equal to this just lower, and input string is equal to this. Okay, so I think here we are mistake. It should be input string, not string. Okay, so it's a minor mistake. I love Python. Let's do it on this. Okay, so it's saying str has no attribute is alpha. Okay, again a spelling mistake. It should be is alpha, not apla. ALPHA. Okay, let's run it. I love programming. Okay, so here we are actually getting for I the occurrences are 2, L is 1, O, and similarly for all the letters that have been appeared. Now let's run it again and put some I love Python and I also love Java. And this time also we are getting the same exact output whatever the record output is. So yeah, this is how you actually can solve this question. It's quite a tricky question, but this kind of question you can expect to get in the interviews, and make sure to prepare these kind of interviews, and I will come up with more such questions based on the strings and also where dictionary is involved. And make sure to subscribe the channel to get more updates on this. So see you in the next video guys, and share this channel with someone who is actually preparing for data analyst interview. Thank you guys, have a good day.